right, so hi folks. We're here. This is Crypto, we're 868 Crypto. We're here to talk about anything in the crypto space. We're here to talk about passive income. We're here to talk about um, just BTC, Ethereum, anything in the crypto space that you can think of. That's what we're about. But today's video is kind of special. We want to talk about a platform that we have been using, myself being Nathaniel and my co-host here being Lorenzo. We have been using a platform called QubitTech, and this platform is actually a very good platform to start and make good money off of. We've been my friend here Lorenzo has been in it for a while, a few months, and I've been in it for a while, also a few months, and it has been getting a lot of online rave and these kind of things. So we just want to talk about it. All right. So let's start.
Just before we start, we just want to put a disclaimer out there that this information in the video is not investment or financial advice and is for entertainment and educational purposes only. The crypto and passive income space is very risky, very volatile, and you should not invest more than you can afford to lose. So don't come here with your money for your house or money for your car or your car payments or your mortgage payments. Invest only what you afford to lose, as the crypto space is very volatile.
All right.
So yeah, do your due diligence. Before me and Nathaniel would have started, we would have only invested what we were comfortable investing at the point in time.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, that's about it, and we'll get right into the video, guys. Um, so QubitTech. Um,
So let me start off right here, and let's talk about the CEO of QubitTech. The CEO of QubitTech is a guy called Greg Lemon. Now, this guy very successful in the cryptocurrency space, in just life basically, because as we could see here, this guy here, he has 3 successful IPOs. We're seeing here that he's the co-founder of the Canadian investment bank, which is DigiMax, and also other things as in top 20 ICO bench, personally raised over 300 million in the blockchain projects. That's 300 million, guys. So when we think about someone like this, who's putting his face out there, someone so established putting his face out there for QubitTech and for a startup company like this, we're thinking that, hey, this guy is trustworthy because we're putting our money into, well, in his hands basically, and we're expecting something from him. And because he has such a good background, or such a great background, we expect that he would actually deliver on his promises. Let's see what's next.
right. So a little bit more about the company. What is QubitTech? QubitTech is a fintech company that uses quantum technology for their crypto trading bots and supercomputers to help in high-frequency trading for better profits. So basically what they do is they use AI technology coupled with the technology of the marketing and the team, as well as the knowledge of the team, to get the best results for their users, right? So a little bit more about the team. This is the team with Greg being the CEO, Mark Swickle being the CMO, and Jorge. Those are the main persons.
Right.
Um, right?
Well, let me take over from here because as we said, we had Greg, we had Mark, we had Jorge. Let me say a little bit about Mark because we spoke about Greg a while ago. Let's talk about Mark a little bit because Mark is the chief marketing officer, the CMO of the company, and once again, just like Greg, he is very versed, very knowledgeable, knows exactly what he's doing, and I'm telling you, because these guys are putting their face out there in the world, in well, just putting their face out there in the world in front of their business, saying that, hey, I have all this already, and I'm still trying to run this business that so many people may be skeptical of. I'm saying that these guys has to be trustworthy. Um, so Mark Swickle, actually, he has over 25 years of international investment banking, so experience experience in that. Attracted more than 50 million euros to Asian startups focusing on AI robotic trading. One part that I like is this last part here that says since 2015, he has acted as an advisor to the Ministry of Energy in Thailand. So if a whole ministry, if a whole government, well, if a government could trust this guy, I'm saying I'm putting my trust in him also, right?
Yeah.
Um, of course, just talking about him once again. I haven't had direct contact with him, but a few of my higher ups, my uplines, have had direct contact with him. Seem as they have said, a real cool guy, easy to talk to, real simple to talk to. Lorenzo, you were saying something?
Yeah, just the same point you was mentioning there that, people who have a rank 3 and above, and ranking is something that a new user has a ability to do once they invite persons to the platform. So once you have rank 3 and above, you could directly contact him, and he's very cool. He would go through any of the questions you have, and that's one aspect of the business that I like, where they are very transparent and they answer the questions that the users have,
Yeah, yeah,
right?
because I've seen many YouTube videos where he just has Zoom calls with a few of the people on the program, and they ask him questions, he answers them directly. You know, these kind of things. So it's real simple for him. The guy is just having he has his face out there. He has his face out there in front of the company. So I'm saying trustworthy for now. Of course, QubitTech is officially registered in different countries. They have all their documents in place. One thing is if you go on the website, on the QubitTech website, and you actually go into the documents tab, you'll see all these documents that are highlighted here in that tab. So feel free to go into the documents, search through it, and see what's going on there, all right?
Right. QubitTech started in June, something late June, and what they estimate to reach this amount, the diagram on the left, target audience. And by December, this is the audience that they have reached so far.
Yeah,
Coming out of the meeting that they had, the leadership meeting that they had on the 15th of January, it had over 170,000 users thus far within the space of, that's what, 6 months? That's a little over 6 months.
that's a bit over 6 months, yeah.
And they hope within 2021 to reach over 1 million users, which is
And
something I think that they more than
yeah,
capable of doing.
yeah, they're more than capable because the way that this thing is catching like wildfire in a forest, crazy.
Yeah, definitely. Just to get more into the what QubitTech offers, the ecosystem that they have, like we already mentioned, they use trading bots, trading robots, and we could see how we would be able to get a free robot or even purchase a robot as we go along. Something that we want to discuss today is the digital license, but they also have digital, corporate, and cashback licenses. Cashback licenses is something that they incorporated very
Recently.
recently. Yeah, something that they brought recently to the platform. They have crypto local P2P platforms, which would mean that they allow different users to trade between different currencies, different cryptocurrencies between the two users. So that's why it's called peer-to-peer, P2P platform. They also have the QubitTech Academy, which you would be able to learn more about the cryptocurrency world, how to trade on your own as well, and just be educated within the crypto space. Something that they want to get involved with another service is the double spin gaming service, which is basically a betting service, just like how the normal slots machine would work, I guess.
Okay.
And they also introduced the Q phone recently, and they also have market analysis that is being produced every day so that you could see what they traded on, as well as get the daily updates as the percentages that you would earn every day.
So basically, what you're saying, Lorenzo, is that this company has, well, it's right there that the company has a great ecosystem. And one of my mentors in this QubitTech space, Anthony Deloche, I don't know if I pronounce his last name correct. He always mentions the ecosystem and compares it to let's say a big company like Apple. So he always mentions the fact that because Apple has so many products, and I'm not an Apple guy by the way, but they have so many products, the AirPods, the phones, the computers, the
Music,
all music, all these things.
yeah.
That's why these companies are so successful, and because QuiberTech is just they have a great ecosystem. It's not one thing only. They're
They're
doing
now
multiple.
one trick pony. They have a lot of different things that they offer, so they would last the time. Just like how Apple's always innovated.
Correct,
Yeah.
correct.
So
Yeah,
we expect this company to last the time and we're well into the future.
yeah,
As we continue to discuss, so this is just getting more in depth with the same ecosystem. I would have mentioned the peer-to-peer platform where it will be convenient. They will be offering low commissions and low unfair commissions to the users that trade their currencies, so that it would be fair for both persons. Um, the same double spin iGaming, which is an online betting system on the QubitTech Academy, where you would be able to learn and work on webinars and get the technical support if you have any questions while learning about the crypto space. They also have something called base camps, where the leaders get to meet with their team. They would have it in different countries, and they would kind of promote teamwork and just building teams and getting that interactive space out there rather than just sitting behind your computer and looking at trades or learning to trade on your own,
just by the way, they
right?
had a few already. They had quite a few already. Within the past 6 months of being a company, they had I don't know the exact figure, but I know it's like probably over three, over four. I know right now, a few guys are in Tanzania right now, doing a base camp. So yeah, it's really good.
Even in these pandemic times, they are still innovative and that they
Yeah,
could have these things.
yeah,
So that's the next thing that the company is doing very well in, right? So we'll move on to the mobile app. They also launched a mobile app recently. It's not available on the Apple Store, the iPhone as yet, but it is available on Android. So it's basically the same thing that we'll go through in terms of the platform, where you can see your back office. We'll go through that in a little bit,
yeah,
but this is on your phone, which is easier access,
yeah,
right? Um, I mentioned the Q phone. This phone is a phone of the future, I could say.
yeah.
There's no way to get data off the motherboard. There's no Bluetooth, no SD card. So there's no person listening in on your data or trying to hack your information. So it's safe to have your wallet stored on this phone so that nobody could get in and steal your crypto. Right? Um, I mentioned the trading robots. This is how QubitTech generates its earnings for persons. They use robots and AI technology to trade, coupled with the persons who have the knowledge of the crypto space to know when to turn on the robots, when to turn it off, or when to just not trade. So they use this robot technology to help them better execute trades, right? But you could also purchase a robot on your own, and the robot is supposed to be giving at around 7%. But based on what I've heard, because I don't own a robot on my own as yet, I heard that it does a lot better than the 7%. Right? And here we
Mm,
come to the main
right. So now,
thing that we're going to discuss tonight, which is
yeah,
the digital license. And Natanya will take it away.
yeah. So this whole video, what we were trying to get to is this digital license, and this is really the meat and the source of QuibTech right now, and where people are making their money. Now, of course, they are making their money elsewhere in the affiliate program and whatnot, but we are not here to talk about that tonight. We are here to talk about the digital license and why this digital license is mind-blowing and so good. So what this digital license is we have 8 different digital licenses, starting from 100 USD, going straight up to 100,000 USD. Now, as you see, they have different groups. They have the bronze group, the silver group, the gold group, and the platinum group. When you purchase one of these digital licenses, so let's say you purchase a $100 digital license, this $100 is traded in the crypto pool. So it's traded for you. This the whole thing is traded for you. And over time, every single day, you will get 0 to 2%. Once again, as I'll say it again, 0 to 2% on your investment. So you're on your $100 investment, $500 investment, whichever investment it is, you'll get 0 to 2% every single day until you reach a figure of 250% on your investment. So this 250% would be your initial investment. Let's say, for example, $100, and then 150% more. So we're going with the $100 once again. Within because because you are getting 25% of your investment every single month, within 4 months, you will get back your $100. And within, well, supposedly within 10 months, you should get your full 250% of your investment. So just to go through the what's going on here again, of course, you invest your money. Um, you buy your Bitcoin, sorry, or your Ethereum. So either Bitcoin or Ethereum, you invest that into the company, and of course, you will be getting 250% when the license is over. Um, this accumulates every single day, so you'll be getting 0 to 2% every single day on your investment. Once again, your full investment. That's a major point. Your full investment goes into the trading pool. You should be receiving around 25%. Of course, it's a rough figure, but you should be receiving up to 25% monthly. And a big part about this, and a part that I love about this, is that the minimum withdrawal is $10 USD. So once you have $10 in your account, you can withdraw that easily. And just to mention any kind of fees, so the withdrawal fee, it's a low 2.5%. Imagine that, a low 2.5%. So you don't have to worry about um, any large withdrawal fees or anything. It's a very low 2.5%. So these things are coming. It's coming in very handy. I won't lie to you. It's coming in very handy, and really and truly, you could start at a 100 USD license, and within what 4 years, Lorenzo? About 4 years, you could reach to a $100,000 license.
Yeah, it's very easy. It's very phenomenal what the QubitTech allows you to do. Because another thing that I like about QubitTech is that you're allowed to purchase multiple licenses.
That's it.
So
Yeah.
you could start with $100 license, and within that 4 months, so you earn another $100, you could purchase another $100 license and start earning on that 2 licenses.
Yeah.
So every month you'll be earning $50 going forward. And if you keep doing that and compounding, you would see the results could be mind blowing.
Yeah.
So
And and actually, we'd like to do a video on the compounding, but of course, more videos to come. We are willing to put all the information out there for you guys to understand what's going on, how to do it, how to make this 100, well, how to make this $100,000 within this 4 year space and everything. All right. So we don't want to take too much of your time on the video. We really wanted it to be a short video, just explaining what QubitTech is, what they are doing, who's the leaders of QubitTech, um, and of course explain the digital license. We have many more videos coming, guys. Talking about the affiliate program, talking about the other types of licenses, meaning the corporate license and also the new cashback
cashback
license.
license.
Yeah, the new cashback license. exactly what QubitTech is doing in 2021 and going forward. They have a really nice and detailed roadmap. So we like to get all that in a few videos coming forward. So guys, if you want this kind of information, of course, feel free to like, share, comment, and of course, subscribe to our videos.